How to change leverage on XM trading. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly change your leverage numbers onto your XM trading account. Now to start off, just simply head straight into my.xm.com's official website, which is going to be here. So for you to be able to change it, but for this video, I'm just going to be showing you a demo account. So right here, if you click that, you can transfer between a real or a live account to a demo account. Previous updates with XM trading is you will not be able to instantly change your leverage numbers. If you would like to change them, then you would have to delete the demo account and recreate another one. But moving forward, they have actually done their new update, and you can instantly change them. Do so. Hit on the current demo account that you have, and then go into manage. So for manage, you should see the current leverage numbers here. And for you to set that is you can actually set your current balance to a different number and it will automatically adjust the leverage numbers as well. But if you would like to change it manually, then what you can do is to scroll down and then go to change leverage. You will not be able to change it manually. You can only choose any available numbers here. And that's it. That's how you change leverage on XM trading.